Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down the iPhone for a hard refresh. Hold the side button until it slides and wait 30 seconds. Once done, toggle airplane mode on, then off to quickly reinitialize radios. Next, go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. That clears saved networks and often restores a responsive Wi-Fi toggle. You'll sign back into saved networks afterward, so have your Wi-Fi password ready and make sure backups exist before proceeding. If network resets don't fix the grayed Wi-Fi, update iOS immediately. An OS patch often includes radio driver fixes, so install the latest version via Settings General Software Update. If the issue persists, perform a standard restore, and if necessary, a DFU restore using iTunes or Finder to reload firmware and baseband. This addresses deeper software corruption. While connected, inspect the case and back for battery swelling, which can distort antenna contacts and cause hardware-level Wi-Fi failures. To finish, test the iPhone on another Wi-Fi network or a phone hotspot to confirm whether the problem is device-specific. You'll know quickly if routers are at fault. If the Wi-Fi setting remains grayed out after restores and tests, back up your data and bring the iPhone to Apple or an authorized repair shop. Technicians can diagnose and replace the Wi-Fi module or antenna. One troubleshooting tip: if you see battery swelling or loose buttons, do not continue. Seek repair immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.